Good morning, children. Children, today we are going to start with the new chapter. Chapter 4, A Wonderful Gift by James Baldwin, Part 1. Chapter 4, A Wonderful Gift by James Baldwin, Part 1. Children, in this story, we come to know about a real person, Benjamin West, who was a very famous artist. He was known for his war paintings and for painting famous historical scenes. The story presents a clear picture of what might have been the attitudes and values among parents in America nearly 300 years ago. The parents think their child should be focused on other things which they think are most useful rather than looking at picture. They consider that it is a waste to spend it on his hobby, but also rely on the wisdom of the visiting parish priest and seek his advice. The priest rightly recognizes Benjamin's talent, and Benjamin ultimately proves how naturally gifted and skilled he truly was. Before we start with the story, I would like to introduce about the writer, James Baldwin. James Baldwin was a famous American teacher and writer. He wrote books for children and adults. He has also written textbooks for schools. Now, children, discuss some new words which will help you understand this chapter better. First one, very still, without moving. Next, charcoal, a hard black burnt piece of wood. The picture grew. It means the picture slowly became complete. Now next, sprang up. It means jumped up suddenly. Next, alarmed, scared. Now chapter 4, A Wonderful Gift by James Baldwin, Part 1. Now what happened, children? Long ago, there lived in America a little boy named Benjamin West. Benjamin loved pictures, but his parents did not buy picture books as they thought. What did they think? They thought it might take his mind away from more useful things. One day, what happened, children? Benjamin's mother told Benjamin to take care of his baby sister when she went out, and he agreed gladly. The baby was asleep in her crib. For a while, Benjamin sat very still. He did not want to make any noise and wake her. Then he thought What did he think? Then he thought that he could draw a pretty picture of the baby. He found a piece of cardboard and a piece of black charcoal. He began to draw. The picture grew as he drew her round head covered with pretty curls, her little mouth, her pretty eyes, her small ears, and wonderful hands. He was so busy drawing that he did not hear his mother as she entered the room. Oh, Benjamin, what have you been doing? She cried. The boy sprang up, alarmed. It's a picture of the baby, mother, he said. Now, children, till here we end. In the next video, I will be catching you up with the same story that would be part 2 of chapter 4. A wonderful gift.